A recent surge in COVID-19 cases has sent Portugal's 10 million residents into lockdown. Now, German healthcare workers are there trying to help confront the rise in patients. Our partners at the BBC News have more.
She's weak, exhausted by just a few steps. But overwhelmed by the third wave, Portugal had no ambulances to bring her in. So her husband, Mario, had to take her to the country's largest hospital, close to collapse. Portugal currently with the world's highest rate of infections and deaths.
The main problem is the fact that I came here and put a lot of persons in danger, because there is always the situation that I can pass my sickness or my wife's sickness to the other people.
The BBC was taken inside Santa Maria Hospital and to the frontier of Portugal's battle. Beyond these doors, an intensive care unit with just 7 of its 70 beds still free. One medic filmed for us in the hell of the storm, some working 18-hour shifts. The British variant is spreading like wildfire behind half of Portugal's cases. One of the EU's most fragile health systems is now critically short of resources. Nurse Patricia Fonseca Nunes says only COVID patients are coming. All other surgery has stopped. The emotional burden is immense.
Well, I can tell you that I remember all my patients who died. I remember their faces. I remember their names. I remember their families. I remember that 22-year-old that woke up to me and asked me, what happened to my legs? How am I going to be able to play my soccer again? I get so frustrated and so sad when people tell me this is not happening. Sometimes I just want to take them by the hand and say, come along, come with me, come and see how it feels like to be losing people.
Today, Germany flew in doctors, ventilators and dozens of beds to help. European partners keen to show they're pulling together after being criticised for throwing up walls in the first wave. Portugal has now tightened a lockdown that it briefly lifted over Christmas, a move partly blamed for the new surge.
I think the responsibility is more in people, in ourselves, and less in the government. They are trying their best.
There are many people dying per day. It's something not normal and honestly very scary, yeah.
Portugal has gone from weathering the early pandemic to an unlikely global epicenter as the virus rages through Europe's westernmost shores. Mark Lowen, BBC News.